Hello and welcome to another video. This time I've got something a little bit different. It's a motorbike. It's a 1985 Yamaha TY250 Monoshock. I'm not that familiar with these things, in fairness, but I've bought it. I'm going to do a few improvements to it. I'm going to play about on it for a bit, and then ultimately it will be for sale. But it runs and rides very nicely, and it has a number of modifications that have been done to it that I am told are quite expensive modifications. So if I can remember what they are, I will go round them and then go through them with you. But it's an up together running riding trial bike. So if you want to reenact Kickstart from the 80s, then by all means do so. Let's start at the front. If I can remember all these things, I'll do my best. Has a pair of fat bars on it, which are apparently an aftermarket must-have on these bikes. The handlebar yokes risers are a modification. It has I can't remember what it's called now, but on the inlet, I think it's called a shortened shirt. But it makes for a smoother throttle response from the lower end, I believe. So it pulls really nicely straight through with that modification. It's also recently had in the last couple of years, it's had the forks rebuilt with new magical internals, whatever they may be. You'll know better than I. Magical internals, new fork oil springs. So and apparently they're set up just right for rebound. If you can see in there, which you probably can't see in there, but it has. I'll get around there. You can see there, yeah. So it has a new Hagon monoshock, which is not very old at all, which apparently is another modification. It has an aluminium kickstart, which is another modification. I believe that's about it. But it's just a nice, tidy, honest and genuine bike. I'm now going to see if I can start it up. Now, I'm not editing these videos, so they're a one-shot take. So, excuse me. That's first kick. I do believe this originally had a red frame, so it's an 85 model. I'm not sure whether this is an R or an S or quite what, but it would have had a red frame, red swinging arm, red fork bottom. Somebody's painted it to the stage, but it was up until 2 or 3 years ago. It was used for amateur trials, but it's just a nice little running bike. The engine was rebuilt before the last guy who owned it, so he owned it for 6 years, and the engine had just been rebuilt prior to him purchasing it, so it has got a lovely tight engine. But I'm told that you tell me if I'm correct, put comments in the bottom. I'm told that the parts on it, the modifications on it, all add up to about £1,000, 1,100 quid. So it's Yeah, it's quite a modded bike, but it's a nice little thing. It would tidy up from a bit of an engine repaint, perhaps put it back to original frame colour. But yes, it's a nice, usable little bike. Does everything it's supposed to. I've been having a go at messing about with it, jumping about from pallet to pallet at sort of 10 feet high. Not really, of course, but it's, yeah, just a nice usable little monoshock 80s TY. There you are. If you like the video, please press like and subscribe, and I'll endeavour to put more videos on. Normally I'm American trucks and cars, particularly 40s, 50s, 60s truck, but I do a few motorbikes. I've got a few motorbikes that I've had bought recently, so they'll be coming up on video shortly. I've also got a few trucks that will be coming up shortly when I can get around to videoing them, because it is quite a consuming task. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again for another one soon. Thanks for watching.